Hi, this month, July, and we'd invite you to celebrate this during August, we are looking at Right to Relax and Play, Article 31, a big favourite for lots of people. So a few ideas of things you can do here. First of all, as a class, could you write the alphabet on the board, just the letters, and see if you can think about different things you like to do to relax and play under each of the letters. So A may be art, B for basketball, C for craft, D for drama. See if you can get to the end. X, Y, Z could be pretty tricky, but you never know. There could be some people doing, I don't know, you'll have to think creatively. Secondly, how about as a class, you challenge each other to different activities. So it could be that reception have to hula hoop for 30 seconds or nursery have to play tag for a minute. So different games, maybe for each different class that you can challenge them to, like a school challenge. And lastly, we'd like you to think about old toys that you have played with or things that you've enjoyed playing with in the past, a little memory game, and share some games with each other. We look forward to hearing about any of your games that you might play. If you've got any game suggestions, do tweet us at ChildCon Wales.